Howdy. I know it's been a little bit since I posted a video, but sometimes you just need a break. And I don't regret it. It felt good. I'm ready to start freaking hammering back on this thing and getting it done. So, as everybody knows, Amazon Prime Days was just recently. So, that's kind of what I was holding off for too, because I'm trying to do this thing on a budget and showing that you don't have to spend a ton of money to do these things. I did make one big purchase that was really affordable, and I made one small purchase that was extremely affordable and something I definitely needed to do this, because this Jeep does have some very minor body damage, and I'm going to teach myself how to fix it. So I watched a video on YouTube. I'm now an expert, so look no further. Actually, I have no clue what I'm doing. I did watch some videos. I think I got the concept of it. Look, master technician, I wanted nothing to do with body work ever. But even with all the project cars I've had before, I never touched the body. That's just not my thing. But with this, I'm going to do as much of the body work as I can myself. So I bought this NEIKO body tool set. So it comes with the hammers, like the wedge. I tried memorizing the names of these tools to better explain. I already forgot them. So I've bought NEIKO tools before, and they're pretty good for the price. So I'm actually kind of impressed with these. So I'm going to post them in a link down below. I imagine for the everyday body guy, these are probably not the quality you want. But for most project guys, these will probably last you a lifetime. So let me show you what we got going on here. I mean, it literally has everything you need basic-wise to pound most dents out. So several types of hammers. I forgot what these were called already, but they're for helping you flatten the panels out and bang them out and getting lines and all that. Luckily, with military vehicles, we don't have to worry about aerodynamic lines a whole lot. And even better is that these things don't have to be perfect. They're military vehicles, but it's got nice composite handles. Everything seems good and is very highly rated. So I'm pretty excited to try them out. Pardon my mess, but this is the dent we will be working on today. Try to get that out. It's not bad. It really isn't. So I did some research. I really think I can get this out with these tools. I mean, it's not far off. So I was watching, hit it right there, kind of work its way out. We'll see what happens. So take one of an idiot trying to teach himself bodywork. I don't know what this hammer was called, but I saw them using this a lot to pound out. So let's give it a try. Stuff's falling everywhere. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. You see how much that came out already? Boy, hey, that came out a lot. Alright, I've already gotten it out a lot. Ow! That was my finger. Alright, so I'm going to try hitting down here. This thing's irking me. You know what? I'm gonna see what these other hammers do. Okay, so I know this one's for like fine bodyworking things, but I think, oh, hang on. Yeah, let's see what this one does. Alright, I forgot what that was called, but I saw him using it, and he'd hold it. Yeah, he'd hold it against it and whack. Oh yeah, I can already see a big difference in it. This is why I hate bodywork. God, I hate bodywork. Ugh. Well, I'm pretty happy with that already. Yeah, let me show you. Alright, with just a few whacks and yanks, I already got it back out to where it needs to be. So the next part is just banging this out right here. And getting it flattened back out as best, as best as I can. So that was worth it. I think I paid like 30 bucks for this. I'm not even kidding you. Damn, that looks so much better too. Because literally, this was probably back 3 inches. And I already got it back out to where it almost needs to be. Now, I did see another tool. It's like a plier. I really think I probably need to go on Amazon and find one of those body pliers. Because I think it would straighten this up a lot better. And then all this would be child's play. But for $30, I'm pretty happy with that. I really do think getting those pliers would I could straighten this out the rest of the way and just finish hammering the rest of that back in. And that would be done. Put some little bit of Bondo over it and call it good. So that's interesting. So $30 in 5 minutes, I already have that much done. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. It is worth doing some research. You can do this yourself, because I bet you those pliers are no more than 20 bucks, if that. And I do think, because there is a kink on the body line, I think I'm going to need those pliers to straighten that out. But once I do, this will, like, it's not even worth finishing hammer this out until I get that straightened. And I could probably sit here and yank on it some more with the hammer, but I think those pliers might make it easier. But I am going to try to yank on it a little bit more with that hammer and see if that helps. Alright, I'm right on where it's kinked. Let's see if this, oh, well. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. Oh, I gotta be careful. Oh, there's a lot of metal memory here. So that's the thing I don't understand, is the metal memory on these. So, dang, that came out a lot. Okay, maybe I don't need those pliers. That looks so much better. Look at that already. Just a little bit of freaking work. I'm gonna try to get this to the point to where I can Bondo it and it look good. It's a military vehicle. I'm not putting this in any shows to win originality, because every military vehicle I was ever in the Army, The only time I saw one mint was when we deployed and they painted it. That's it. But I'm not going, you customize these to your liking when you deploy or where you're in the field or using them. So they're never the same. But that's kind of what I'm going for. But I'm going to keep hammering on this a little bit and see how much progress I can make. I'm not going to bore you with that part, so I'll just skip ahead to it. But yeah, let's see how much more I can get out. All right, yeah. So with just a little bit of hammering, I got this flattened back out. And look how much further I got that out. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on these tools. But, I mean, for $30, look how much progress was made. That's just crazy. Like, really crazy. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. So once I've learned how to hammer this out just a little bit better, whew, I'll be in business. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I got a fender. My fenders on these are mint, like dang near mint, except one of them has a kink. Let me go ahead and just get that set up. I'm going to go ahead and try and knock that out. All right, this is the driver's side fender. As you can tell, I got a nice little kink. I don't know where it was hit. Oh, this one's all, looks like, I don't know. But I want to knock that down, knock that kink in. So let me use the same hammer I've been using because I think that's the hammer to use for this specifically. So we'll see. Yeah, look at that. Fits right up in there. Look at that. Almost perfect. Hell of a tool. I freaking love these. Got it. Look at that. I'm not worried about going for perfectly smooth because I'm gonna Bondo a little bit. But one thing I noticed that this tool will do good on is I can stick it underneath the folds. Boom. Look at that. Huh. Perfect. Look at that. 5 minutes and $30. I'll freaking Bondo that little up. It's not a Supreme show car, so level it out, call it good. I might even put some in right here. That fender is ready for sandblasting now. That's all I was waiting on for this fender to get painted, was fixing that. And I was like trying to find body guys, and man, someone wanted so much. Boom. So for $35, $40 and a little bit of elbow grease, you can save yourself a few $100s. I'm very happy with the way that fender turned out already. This is going to take a little bit more work, but to get that done, body shop, what, $200-300 just to get it done? That's not painting, priming, anything. So, like, I'm going to have this painted. I'm probably not going to paint the body myself. I might. I don't know. I'm undecided on that. Because you can literally paint the body for $50. So, if anything, I will have it professionally blasted and then Bondoed. Because I'm going to try to teach myself Bondo. I don't know how good it's going to go. But yeah, I want it at least professionally sandblasted. For a lot of the smaller stuff, I may have bought something that's sitting over there that I haven't put together yet to make videos on. But yeah, now I can get the wheels done. I can put tires on them so I can roll this thing around. Yeah, I was waiting on Amazon Prime days to just buy what I needed to go next level. And now look, $30, my fender's done. This dent's, that's it. That fender's done. This dent's almost out. I gotta go get my buddy's welder, fill up a few holes, because I want those holes filled just so they're done right. And yeah, so we can start, we can do what matters on this to me the most, which is paint. And then rock and roll. I tried the sanding route. No, it's the sander is amazing. Don't get me wrong, but it's messy and there's so many small dings and divots in this. So that's from the sanding. It didn't come off. I think sandblasting would be the way to go. Plus, I know for a fact there is Bondo on this Jeep because back in the day they did Bondo these Jeeps. They get a dent, they whack it out a little bit, and Bondo it over, and go on with their day. Plus there's a few little drill holes I got to cover for the aftermarket top they had on this that was crap. So I want to fill those all in. And yeah, that's it. So appreciate you watching today's video. An idiot trying to teach himself bodywork. I know I'm feeling a minute. I needed a rest, and I don't regret it, and I feel great now. Except I slept weird, and now I got like this awful kink in my back. But a lot of progress made today. I'm happy, very happy. Now I can get that blasted, get the other fender blasted. You know, I probably am going to paint this myself. But don't forget, use my code LSH10 at Kaiser Willys to save on your Jeep parts. And that code covers a lot. So everything but, I think, tubs and tires. And a few big things. But, yeah. Well, you watched an idiot try to figure out bodywork. Body guys. Please give me your tips and tricks in there. I'm not a body guy. I always respected body guys because y'all do crap that I just didn't want to do because it doesn't look fun. I rather build motors and make things go than make them look pretty. So that I rather just paid for that. But I appreciate it. I'm going to keep hammering on this, see how far I can get today. And because I'm going to smoke some wings and I got to mow my yard. But other than that, we're out. Peace. Love you.